There are two types of roofs on this particular building, coated foam and a metal roof. We're addressing a common issue you see a lot on coated foam roofs that don't have annual maintenance plans. Gutters clogged with granules are usually a big issue. Clogged gutters over time can cause serious trouble. That's why annual cleaning and minor repairs are so important. On metal roofs, loose or missing fasteners are usually the source of the leaks. Over time, as metal expands and contracts, fasteners become loose and back out. Leaks are most common around fasteners. So we tightened and sealed deteriorated fasteners around all the skylights and on the upper metal roof section. Finally, we sealed the transition in the wall flashing, which is commonly known to leak or hold water.
These are just the major, most common sources of leaks that we address. This particular customer will be good to go for a couple years until they're ready to restore the roof. In the meantime, we'll just set them up on a maintenance plan now that their roof is
Buttoned up.